all of you. Good morning. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Haram, and I have two sisters, Hamda and Hania. We play together, enjoy very much, and we also go to park to play games. After that, we came back to home. We saw a lion in our way that was eating ice cream. So we decided to eat ice cream in our home too. Then we came back home and we also eat ice cream and also so many sweet, delicious desserts. In the evening, we were sitting at home alone, taking tea with snacks. Suddenly it rained. We all went outside to see the view. We saw a big and huge layer of rainbow. What a fantastic and astonishing was it